Hello everyone, welcome to binary option training with iTech Express. In this video, I'll be showing us how to set up our chart for trading. Here we'll be making use of IQoptions. That is because IQoption is best for our strategy. The strategy I'll be showing us here can be used with some other brokers like Olive Trade and Expert Options. But please, we recommend IQoptions. So this is our chart. This is IQoption and trading environment. So the first thing we want to do is to change our chart from line chart to candlesticks. Now, candlesticks make it more easy to understand what is happening in the markets. So we want to change our chart. Now you count from the left. Please, on the left bottom of the page, you count from the left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fourth one, where you have 5 seconds, that is where you can change the chart type. The fourth one. I know many persons cannot actually see what I'm doing clearly, so I have to count it for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one, where you have 5 seconds, the time close to the symbol. So you touch it and the chart type will come up. So now we want to choose candlesticks. If you count from the left again, we have 1, 2, 3. So the third one is candlesticks. The third one is candlestick. Just click on it, touch it. That is candlesticks. So the next thing you should change is the expiring time. So we can change it to 15 seconds, you can change it to 1 minute, you can change it to 2 minutes, and so on. So, but right now we'll be making use of 1 minute. You can change to 10 minutes. You can change to 10 minutes, even 1 hour, and so on, 15 minutes. But right in this training, we'll be making use of 1 minute. Please remember to turn off auto scaling. Turn off auto scaling is very important, so that the time does not change automatically without your knowledge. So that is how to set the chart. Now, another thing you should do is to make the chart more visible. Now, if you look from the other side of the page of the chart, that is, you have 2 hours here is active, so meaning the chart time is 2 hours. So we can change it to 1 hour, or maybe 30 minutes, or even 15 minutes. But right here I'll be making use of 30 minutes, so I can see more view area and the chart will be visible. So on our chart we can see the red and the green candlesticks, red and green candlesticks. Now the green candlestick is called bull candle and the red is called bear candle. So what it means is this: the green means the market or the price of the asset that we are looking at was actually bullish. I mean it was rising, while the red means the price of the asset was actually falling in that 1 minute. So if you choose 2 minutes, each candle represents 2 minutes. If you choose 1 minute, each candle represents 1 minute, just like that. So it means the price is actually falling when it is red, and when it is green, it means the price rises in that 1 minute. Now, what does this mean? Now, when the supply of goods is much in the market and the buyers are few, what happens to the goods? The price will begin to fall. People want to sell, therefore they want to reduce the price so that the buyers can, because the few buyers they have may want to buy from them. The same way, when the supply of goods is not much and the buyers are many, the price of the goods will rise. So that is what actually happened to this market in Forex, binary options, and some other online this thing that we deal with. The price rises and falling based on demand and supply. Okay, so after changing our chart to candlesticks, the next thing we want to do is to add our indicators. Now, indicators is very, very necessary for us to read what may likely happen in the market in the next 1 to 3 minutes. Now, for binary options, we deal with short time, so 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, thereabout. Unlike Forex, that you may open a trade and wait for maybe the whole day or even a week to get it hit the price. All right, so let's set our indicators. In this training, we'll be making use of just two indicators, just two indicators. So again, I will count from the left, 1, 2, 3. Remember, the fourth one was what we used to change the chart type. So right now, I'll be starting from, I'll be changing, adding the indicator on the third command here. So 1, 2, 3. Now here we have indicators. So select it. Now we need just two indicators. One is Bollinger Band and the second one is stochastic oscillator. So we add, I don't know if you can see what I'm typing. There is it here, Bollinger Band. So I'll select it. Please change the period to 9 instead of 14. Change the period to 9 to make it more flexible. Then apply. Then the next thing we want to add is stochastic oscillator. Very important. So look at it here, stochastic oscillator. All we need to change here is to make sure the overbought is 80 and oversold is 20. Okay, it's okay. Just say okay. Don't change anything. It's okay. Now, this is all we need to start trading. It is all we need. We can scroll the chart to see what is happening in the market. That is it. And scroll the chart just to see what is happening. Okay. All right. Okay. So these are the two indicators we'll be making use of in this our training. Today is Saturday. Therefore, the normal market is closed. So what is available to us right now, it simply means over the counter. Now, please, we do not recommend trading Saturdays and Sundays. Weekend trading, don't do it. Why? OTP market, as in weekend trading is regulated by computer system. So all you know about trading will not work in OTP. The signal may be perfect, everything may seem all right, and you will pick a trade. Before you know it, you will lose. Why? It is being regulated by computer system, not the normal demand and supply chain. Please